I am also interested in building a better video editing setup. Right now I primarily use my laptop, but it's a bit underpowered, so it's not the workhorse I need it to be. It has snags and bumps when it's editing a lot of video and pretty much rendering a lot of things at once. It hiccups on me. Been looking on the net and seeing a few things that I'm interested in. The main thing right now is just to build a really nice editing PC. Let's see how this goes. Alright guys, so this is the PC build video, and I didn't want to, regurgitate the same thing that you guys see out there all the time. So I just sped through this actual part right here as far as the entire build. I'll just showcase the parts real quick, touch back after. NTL fam, I hope you enjoyed that PC build video. Really enjoyed building it. My first ever PC build, so everything was brand new to me, but so many guides and everything out there that I really had a lot of help, so that was good. Only took a weekend. It was a perfect little project, and I am glad I was able to actually film it so you guys could actually come along with that quick little journey. I know I kind of sped through it, but there's, like I said, there's plenty of build videos out there, so you could definitely check out all the other in-depth ones, but I just wanted to, showcase what I made for myself over the weekend and whatnot. So mainly I wanted to make a PC build because I needed something that was better than what I currently have, which is my laptop, to edit video, and currently I'm actually editing this video on the PC right now, and it's been great. Have no complaints with it. It is fantastic. So yeah, if you guys are interested in the parts I use for my PC build, I will have them listed in the description of the video, so check that out if you're interested. So yeah, this build was really cost effective. All the parts put together to build the PC were less than $1,000. You know what isn't cost effective though? Apple. I went on the Apple, I did my research, and to get an iMac that had similar performance to what I have currently, I was paying anywhere from $2,000 to $3,000 and up. To me, that's insane. How is that even possible? Honestly, at this point, I just think buying an iMac is just for the name. You just want that pretty silver matte machine in your house or in your room just to show off at this point. I'm not hating on Apple. I really enjoy their aesthetic. They make some really awesome products and whatnot, but their cost is just insane. It makes no sense to me because I can build something like this PC with awesome performance for a fraction of what Apple charges for the same exact thing. Now, we at NTL, we are not Apple haters, okay? Some of us use Apple. We love Apple products. Get that. I personally am not a fan. And honestly, don't be a sheep. Don't be an iSheep, honestly. Do your proper research. Get something that fits your needs. Don't get something that everyone else says that you should have. Don't be mainstream. Be yourself. And I'm fairly sure that, you won't need an Apple. So, I better calm down before I get attacked or flamed for, hating on Apple. Honestly, like I said, they make stuff, I think it looks really cool. Some of their stuff is really nice. Just not my cup of tea. Never has been. I've never gone on that hype train. And that's what I really think it is. It's a hype train. So, besides all that, that was the PC build. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I really enjoyed making it. I really enjoyed editing it. Editing has been a breeze now with this new PC build, so that's great. Like I said in past videos, if you guys have checked them out, we are making a lot more content. So we're looking to, really push something out pretty much every week at this point. So definitely stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up button. Even if you don't like it, hey, hit the thumbs down. Let me know how you feel. That's fine. So yeah, this is Tony signing off from NTL, and we'll see you for the next one, alright?